In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Base44. Whether you need to collaborate with colleagues, share progress with a client, or simply showcase your work, sharing a project on this platform is a breeze once you know how. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your project in Base44. Make sure you've got everything set up the way you want it before sharing, as this will ensure the recipient has the best experience possible. Now look towards the top right of your screen and spot the share icon. It's typically easy to find without much effort, as it's prominently displayed to facilitate easy access. Once you've clicked on the share icon, you'll be presented with several options on how to proceed. You have the option to share your project by copying the URL of the project or app. Simply copy this link and send it to anyone you wish to view or potentially collaborate on your project. This method is quick and convenient, especially for those who prefer sharing through direct links. Alternatively, if you're looking to collaborate more interactively, you can invite others via email. This is a particularly useful option if your teammates or clients need regular updates and interaction within the project. Enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite, and they'll receive an invitation to access the project. When sharing, it's essential to set the appropriate permissions or privacy levels to suit your needs. Base44 offers a range of options for you to choose from. First, there's the private setting, which restricts access only to users specifically invited by you. This ensures the utmost confidentiality if your project involves sensitive information. If you're looking to broaden access while maintaining some level of authentication, consider using the public option with login required. This setting allows anyone with the link to access your project, provided they have or create a Base44 account. This option strikes a balance between accessibility and security. For broader access, you can select the public no login option. In this case, anyone with the link can view the project without needing to log in. This is ideal for projects you wish to showcase without requiring additional steps for your viewers. Once you've shared the project, it's a good practice to test the link from a different device or an incognito window. This extra step ensures that the link behaves just as you've intended and that there are no access issues or privacy oversights. And there you have it. Sharing a project in Base44 is straightforward and flexible, catering to different sharing needs. By following these steps, you can confidently share your work with collaborators or an audience of your choice. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!